Welcome to Tech Vibes. Listen carefully. This is a technician style guide. Follow these steps, and your smart TV will last longer. If your TV becomes slow, heats up, or restarts randomly, poor maintenance is usually the reason. Most users damage their TV without realizing it. Today, I will share real maintenance tips used by professional technicians. Tip 1: Proper power management. Always use a high quality surge protector. Unstable voltage damages the power board and main board. Never plug your TV directly into an unreliable wall socket. After switching off the TV, wait at least 10 seconds before turning it on again. This protects internal components. Tip 2: Ventilation and heat control. Heat is the silent killer of smart TVs. Never block the back ventilation holes. Keep at least 4 inches of space behind the TV. Do not place the TV near routers, set-top boxes, or gaming consoles. Overheating causes panel damage and mainboard failure. Tip 3: Safe screen cleaning method. Never spray liquid directly on the screen. Use a dry microfiber cloth first. If needed, slightly dampen the cloth with clean water only. Avoid alcohol, glass cleaner, and ammonia-based liquids. These chemicals damage the screen coating. Tip 4: Software and firmware care. Always update your TV from the official settings menu. Updates improve performance and fix bugs. Avoid installing unknown third-party apps. They overload the processor and memory. Restart your TV once every week to clear cache. Tip 5: Internet and network stability. Use a stable Wi-Fi or LAN connection. Place the router within proper range. Use 5 GHz for short distance and 2.4 GHz for longer distance. Poor internet causes freezing and slow performance. Tip 6: Storage and app management. Uninstall unused apps regularly. Low storage causes lag and system crashes. Do not force stop system apps without technician advice. Tip 7: Panel protection habits. Reduce brightness instead of using maximum level. Enable screensaver if available. Avoid static images for long hours. This reduces burn-in risk. Final technician advice: never open the TV without proper knowledge. If you notice flickering, lines, or burning smell, unplug immediately. Consult a professional technician. This was Tech Vibes. Follow these tips, and your smart TV will stay smooth and reliable for years.